Okay, so now nodal equation, now our new equation, this name is nodal equation. Okay, so suppose our problem, now our equation name is nodal equation or nodal analysis. Okay, the node equation, you know, node equation. Okay, node equation. Okay, just now we draw the circuit. Suppose noise very cool in a Tamim Iqbal.
Yes, sir.
Mute karo. Noise আসছে। All are draw this circuit at first. Okay, and this is the ground. This circuit, this is the 7, 3, 30 volts. This is the 5 ampere, 10, 20 volt, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm, 5 ohm, 20 volt. This is the 10 ohm, 50 volt, and 100 volt. This, okay. So now we use our new formula. This is the nodal formula, nodal equation. Okay, so this nodal equation, this nodal equation just our law. At first, our this the voltage. If our previous loop equation our 3 law, if any parallel, like voltage are parallel, these are omit. Okay, this our loop equation. All are clear? Yeah, Gopal.
Yes, sir.
Our
Yes,
loop
sir.
equation, any this, suppose these voltage are parallel, any load, any node, this node are all node are omit. Okay, and this any series this no problem. Okay, but nodal equation, this is the different nodal equation. Any voltage are at first volt and another current are parallel, then we use the equivalent volt, like or source conversion formula. Okay, suppose our previous circuit, this your resistance and parallel the current. Okay, so parallel current, so we are use source conversion formula, then this is the series voltage and resistance. Okay, already solve this problem. This our loop equation formula. But node equation, any voltage or series, just different this. Any voltage or series, then convert parallel current. All this node equation, we are use all our current. Okay, just different this. Our loop equation, we are use all our voltage, but loop node equation, we use all our current. So all conversion the current, this voltage, so convert current, and convert current, then these resistances must be parallel. Suppose this, so this 7 and 3, and this the voltage. Okay, so we need the source conversion. This the resistance is 10 and voltage this, so I is equal to V by R. Okay, so this voltage is 30, then resistance is 10, so our current is 3. So now this is the this one resistance, and this the parallel current. Okay, this current, this is the positive, this positive sign, so current flow this portion. Okay, so now these two convert this. Okay, so this is the 10 and this is the 3 ampere. Okay, this called source conversion. This called source conversion. The voltage to transfer current. We are previously current transfer to voltage. This current transfer to voltage law. If current are parallel resistance, then voltage resistance is series, and voltage the value this. Suppose this your 10 ohm and 3. Okay, 3 ampere. So our voltage 30 volt, and this is the 10 resistance. Okay, this the source conversion, current to voltage and voltage to current. So now we are use this portion. Okay, this portion, all are source, apply source conversion. Another this portion using the source conversion. Okay, this portion using the source conversion. Another this portion using the source conversion. No need this. And we our another part, if any voltage, any source, suppose this the volt resistance, and this the current source, and this the voltage source. So if voltage or any node is parallel, then all are omitted. These are another rules. Okay, can you understand this? Daud? Our loop equation, any voltage source or are parallel node, parallel resistance or current, all are omit. Our previous circuit just this in this time not possible. Already solve our this equation. Our voltage source parallel, suppose this voltage source, then these are parallel resistance and this current, so all are omit this circuit. Okay, this, if this the loop equation, this our loop equation, voltage parallel all resistance or all current parallel, all are omit. This is the loop equation. But node equation, this is the different. This, if current series any node or any voltage, any load or any source. Okay, suppose this is the current and this our source voltage, this is the series. Okay, so series portion, this and this all are omit if the current is series all portion. Okay, so this our loop equation, this our node equation, all current are series any resistance or load, all are omit. In this portion, this is the resistance and this is the current, so this resistance is omit. Okay, clear?
Yes,
গোপাল গোপাল বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আমাদের ভোল্টেজ সোর্স, ভোল্টেজের ক্ষেত্রে কি ছিল, লুপ ইকুয়েশনে কি ছিল, ভোল্টেজের সাথে যা প্যারালাল ছিল সবকিছু আমরা বাদ দিয়েছিলাম।
সব
সব
হ্যাঁ,
ভোল্টেজের
আর
সাথে প্যারালালে যা ছিল সব বাদ। আর লুপের নোডের ক্ষেত্রে কারেন্টের সাথে যা সিরিজে থাকবে সবই বাদ।
সব
So,
হ্যাঁ সব বাদ, হ্যাঁ।
এই পোর্শন থেকে এই পোর্শনে সিরিজে আছে এই রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা, সো এর ভিতরে যদি আরো ভোল্টেজ থাকতো সেটা বাদ হয়ে যেত। ইফ any resistance and any source, voltage source, all are omit, so this portion,
Yes.
this resistance is omit. Okay, and this also, this the resistance and this the series, so convert source conversion, this not resistance, so no need conversion. Okay, now we use our main circuit. Okay, draw final circuit. Okay, just erase this point. Okay, so now suppose okay, suppose in this portion we are new name change, suppose this portion is v1. Okay, this portion. Okay, so these two, these our total resistance, these are 10. Okay, and this our current and current flow, this the minus to plus, so current flow right to left, this called source conversion. So our current, now our current, this portion our current, anybody? 3. Good, 3 ampere. Okay, so this part is finished. Now at this moment another, this portion, this suppose v1. Okay, so this portion to this, suppose this source no resistance, so no need the conversion. Okay, so this is the direct. Okay, and now this portion to, suppose this portion total resistance
10.
10. So total resistance 10. Then these are current flow, this the ground portion, so this, suppose this your ground portion, so this to up, minus to plus, so top, this arrow sign your v point. Okay, so this your v point, v1 point, so this your arrow location, this. Okay, so now our current, this current, this current
2, sir.
2, 10, this is the 10 divided 20 divided by 10, so 2 ampere, and this our resistance is 10. Okay, this your another point, this point is your ground. Okay, this is the ground. Okay, so this is the 0 point, the ground means 0. Okay, this is the 0, so this 0. Now this point to this point to this point. Okay, now this is finished. Now this is the 20 volt, this point to নয়েজ আসছে কার কাছ থেকে? শাহিন। Okay, so these are our resistances. The total resistance is this, and current flow
Five.
ground to top. At first current flow sign this. Okay, so this is the 5 ampere. Okay, and this is the 10. Okay, this also the ground position. Okay, so this ground position finish, so this your 0 position. Clear? And this your, suppose this is the V1, so this is the V2 point. So this V2 point, this point, so this point to this. Okay, this your last point, this point to this. At first finish this. Okay, oh sorry, this point finish, this is the V2 to this is the V1, so this position to this is the V2, and this another point. Okay, this is the V1. Suppose this is the okay, this is the V1. Suppose we are changed. This is the V2 and this is the V3. No problem. This is the V1, V2, and V3. This is the V1. This is the V2. Okay, and this is the also this V1. This is the V3, and this V3. This position V1. So this is the V2, and this position this is the V3. Okay, so this V3 to V2. This position to this position. This position to this position. This is the one resistance, and this is the current. So current and resistance, if the series, so this resistance is ohmic. Clear? So this resistance is ohmic, so only this is the 5 ampere current. Okay, so this is the V3, and this V3 to another 0 position, only 1 voltage, only 1 volt. Sorry, no, this the, sorry, mistake, this the one resistance. Okay, this one resistance, this is the 10. Okay, clear? So all another, this is the source conversion. Clear? So these are another source conversion. Current flow, this positive portion is okay, this. So now our current 100 in by 10, so current so 10 ampere. Okay, so this also, oh sorry, just no problem, but this is the okay, just like, oh, sorry. Okay, so this also 0. So now our draw is finished. All are clear this point? Our previous loop equation is 3 point. If any parallel resistance is equal, 1 equivalent, so this portion is also our any series resistance is equivalent. This is the equivalent chain. Okay, this also, this the series resistance is equivalent 10. Clear? So this our first point is finished. Second portion, our any parallel any current source is series, any load or any source, these all are omit. So this portion is this parallel series current, all are omit. Our loop equation, any parallel voltage or any parallel node, all are omit. So this previously our loop equation parallel all, so with node are omit. These the series current source, all are resistance or voltage or every load or source, all are omit. So this our second law. Okay, and third portion, our source conversion. Our previously any current source are parallel, then we are using source conversion formula, current source to voltage source. But this loop equation we are use any node, any voltage, any voltage source or series resistance, all are using source conversion, then the current convert the current source, and this resistance is parallel. Okay, clear? All are clear?
Yes,
This circuit?
sir.
Yes.
Okay, so now we use our equation. Okay, previously we are use loop current. Okay, all are this one loop, this one loop, this one loop, this one loop. But this no need loop. This is the node. This one node. Node means this the first point to last point. Okay, this is the node. So this the V1 node. This is the V1 node. This is the V2 node. This is V3 node, and this is the 0. So our total node 3. Okay, V1, V2, and V3, and last this is the 0. Okay, and another, this position we are using the current, but this is the voltage. So we already previously use if current source we convert the voltage. Okay, so this law we use if any voltage source just convert the current. So this name just change, this voltage name, now the current, and current flow, this is the I1 current flow, this. Okay, and any no just only one. Okay, so now our finish. Okay, so at first we use V1 node. Okay, V1 node. So this V1, okay, this V1, so V1 connection, this V1 bracket all resistance, this V1 to connect all resistance, this V1 to this resistance, so this is the 10, and this V1 to this, all are using this formula 1 by this 10, this. Okay, so another this V1, so this 10, so plus 1 by 10. Okay, and these are this the no voltage, sorry, no resistance, so only this and this. Okay, so now our this portion is finished. Now minus these are connect V1, another last side are connect V3, so this the V3 minus V3, these resistance are combined, this is the V1, also this is the V3, so minus, this is the minus, so minus V3 1 by 10. Okay, and another this is the minus, but this the last point 0. If last point and V4 or V5, now we calculate must be minus, but this is the 0, so minus 0 means all are 0. Okay, so no need this. Okay, minus no need this. Clear? নোমান বুঝতে পারছো?
Yes, sir.
কেন এটা নিচ্ছি না?
মাইনাসের জন্য।
মাইনাসের জন্য, জিরোর জন্য।
আরেকবার
লাস্ট প্রান্ত এই যে জিরোর সাথে আমরা এটা কি করেছি, V1 এর সাথে এই সব V1 গুলো এই একটা যোগ করছি, এই একটা যোগ করছি, V1 এর সাথে আবার এখানে যদি রেজিস্ট্যান্স থাকতো তাহলে সেটাও যোগ করতাম। ওকে, সো this the one resistance, this another resistance, this if another resistance plus this. Okay, all connect V1, so all connect V1 resistance is total equivalent this minus this resistance is another portion connection node V3, so minus V3 1/10. Also this the connection. Okay, this also this 10 is connection, and this the minus this last portion is 0, so 0 1/10. So 0 1/10, this not possible, this is equal to already 0. Okay, 0 into this value, so this is the 0, so we not use this. If you use, no problem. Okay, clear, all are clear? Gopal,
স্যার ওই যে V3 থেকে আবার কেন V1 এর 10 রেজিস্ট্যান্ট কে ধরা হলো?
আমরা এর আগে কি করছিলাম, লুপে একজনের সাথে আরেকজন যখন যোগ হয়েছে, একটা লুপ থেকে আরেকটা লুপে যে শেয়ার যে লুপ ছিল সেটা মাইনাস করছিলাম না। this resistance are share node, this the V1 node, this the 10 resistance, V3 also this the 10 resistance, so this the minus. Okay, and also this the নিচেরটাও আমরা মাইনাস দিব, কিন্তু মাইনাসটা এটা তো জিরো, গ্রাউন্ড যদি না থাকতো এখানে, যদি if not ground then this name is V4. If V4, so use V4. Clear? These are ground, so ground means 0, so 0 means this the 0, so 0 into this, so this is equal to 0, so we not use this. Clear? If this node is V4, then we use V4 1/10. No problem, you use 0 into 1/10. Okay, clear? Okay, no problem, we use 0 into 1/10, because this another portion connection is 0 portion, so 0 1/10. Clear? No problem. This means our ultimately this means our result is 0. Okay, so we omit this or not omit, no problem. Now this V1, this resistance is finished, this one resistance, this one resistance is another portion, this V3, this resistance another portion is 0, so all are complete, resistance portion complete. Now current flow, if flow, this the V portion flow, this means this the negative to positive. Okay, this the current flow, this the negative to positive, so current flow this if arrow V1 portion, so this the minus, so -3. Also this current also V1 portion, this current. Okay, this is the -2, and another current, this is the current, this current flow V1 portion, so minus I1, so this total is equal to 0. Okay, this is your one equation. Clear? All are clear? Now now we use, okay, anyone just now we use V2. Okay, so yeah, Gopal bolo, V2 is equal to this
V2
total resistance at first, total resistance connection, this not resistance, only one resistance,
1/10,
only one resistance. Okay, if any resistance, this not resistance. Okay, this not resistance, only this resistance. Okay, if
Okay.
this if this resistance then add, if this resistance then add, but no resistance, so no add, only one. Okay, then minus minus
Minus 0 into 1 by 10.
go 0 into 1 by 10.
10.
Okay, then resistance is finished. Now
This is
V, if V2 to another current flow, this is the positive. Okay, so this current flow. Incoming, this is the negative. Outgoing, this is the positive. Okay, so this is the outgoing. This current is outgoing. So plus
plus 5.
5. And this current outgoing. So this also this
plus
last.
20.
This is the last. This another current. This current is incoming. This current incoming, V2 portion. So incoming means minus.
5.
This is the outgoing 5. This is the incoming 5. This and this complete. Okay. And
Okay. And
this
plus
the,
I1.
This is the outgoing. So
Outgoing.
outgoing means plus
Plus
I1. So this is equal
I1
to
equals 0.
0. Okay. Another person, V3. Another person, Daud.
Yes,
Daud.
sir.
Okay, you say this. Okay, V3. V3. One by this V3. So this resistance plus. Okay, you talk this. You not understand this, Daud?
Yes, sir.
Not understand, Osman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you say this.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you say this result.
V3 starts by 5 ampere. Okay.
This V3. So this
V3.
V3, this point V3, this point V3. So this point, and this point. So total resistance at first. This resistance 1 by
1 by
1 by
10.
10 plus
Yeah.
plus this not resistance. So this another resistance.
Yeah.
So plus
Yeah.
plus
Or
also
last
1 by 10.
10.
This is the finish. V3 all are finished.
Yeah.
Resistance all finished.
Yeah.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
minus resistance. Minus resistance
Okay.
minus this resistance is also connected V1. So V1
Yeah. 1
by
1 by 10.
1 by 10. Also
Yeah.
this is the V1. So this finish. This V3 connect another 0. So minus
Yeah.
0
1 by 10.
1 by 10.
10.
Okay, so this resistance all are finished. Resistance portion
Yeah.
all finished. Now current. This is the outgoing. Outgoing current means V3 to outgoing. Outgoing means positive.
Yeah.
Incoming means
Yeah.
negative. So outgoing. So minus. Sorry, plus this
Plus
current.
1.
Plus
3 ampere.
3 ampere.
3 ampere.
3. And this current
Is
incoming.
minus.
Incoming means minus. So minus
5 ampere.
and this current is outgoing. Outgoing
This
10 plus 10. So this is equal to 0.
0. Teacher.
Okay, clear?
Teacher clear. Okay. Teacher and V1 1 divided by 10. Another 1 divided by 10. What's from 1 divided by 10? Another.
Sorry.
And voltage 1. Voltage 1.
voltage 1, this
Yeah.
this
125 by 10.
this V1, so this
Yeah.
1 by 10, and this V1, this is the 1
Yeah.
by 10. Okay, so these
This.
two, and minus this the V3 connect to this resistance, so V3
Yeah.
1 by 10, and this the connect
Yeah.
0, so 0 1 by 10 minus, then all
Yeah.
this is the incoming current, so 3, this is the incoming current, this 2, and this is the also incoming current I1, so this is the I1. Okay,
Okay.
so our voltage all are finished. Now current, this
Okay.
not I1, this is the 20 volts, so now the name I1. Okay, now sorry, okay, I1 just top, because this the now I1, this portion, this current flow,
I1.
this portion negative to this the negative positive, so this the positive portion voltage V1, and negative portion voltage V2. Okay, so now this portion V1 minus V2 is equal to 20. Okay, this 20 volt V1 minus V2. Okay, positive portion name at first this is the positive portion name. Positive portion name V1 and negative portion name V2. So V1 minus V2 is equal to 20. Okay, this is your fourth equation. So this is your total equation. Now you calculation your V1, V2, V3, I1, I1, all are find out this. Okay, clear? All are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are another equation. Okay.
Okay.
স্ক্রিনশট নিয়েছো কেউ? স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নাও। Okay. Now our second equation, second problem. Okay. So our second problem will draw these two. Okay. Hey, who this person? So now just give the 10, this one current, this current is 3 ampere, this is the 20 volt, this is the 10, this is the 100 volt. Who this person? This is the 50 volt, 10, this is also 10, this is the 2 ampere, the 30 volt, 30 volt, okay, 30 volt, and this is the 10. This is the 20, and this also one resistance. So this is the mistake. This is the 10. Okay. This just check. This 10, 20, 20. This is the 10, 50, 10, 10 to 20, 10. This is the 10. Okay, this 10, 100, 10. Okay, this is the finish. Oof. Okay, clear? Draw finish.
Yes, sir.
Down. Draw finish. এই কে এটা করছে? বোর্ডে দাগ দিচ্ছে কে? Who this person? Sign this board. কেউ কথা বলে না কেন? Okay, now we start. তামিম ছাগল খাওয়াবা নাকি?
জমি বাড়িতে স্যার ছাগল বাঁধা তাই।
হ্যাঁ?
জমি বাড়িতে স্যার ছাগল বাঁধি রাখছে তো স্যার, বাসায় নেট প্রবলেম হয়ে যায় না বাইরে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে তুমি একটু মিউট করো তোমার ছাগলের। Okay, now we start. our first point. Suppose this all are clear. So our this the current source. So current source this resistance. So this resistance এই রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা কি হবে গোপাল?
ভ্যানিশ হবে স্যার।
ভ্যানিশ হবে। এটা this resistance is vanish because series of current. ওকে
Yes.
আচ্ছা এটা শেষ হলো। This resistance only resistance, no voltage source or current source. If voltage source, then this is the source conversion. If current source, then the vanish. But this resistance is only one, so no change this resistance. Okay, this is the finish. And now this the voltage and this the resistance. So need the source conversion. This okay, voltage to current need the source conversion. Okay, and also this the parallel. Already parallel, so no change, source conversion already complete. This is the current and current resistance is parallel, so no change this. Okay, so this already cleared. Okay, now this is the only voltage source, so this no change voltage source, so need the name. Okay, need only change the name. This is the I1, because if source, so in any load, then source conversion using. Okay, no load, so just this the name change. Okay, so this is the I1, and this also this is the only voltage, so this name change. This is the suppose I2. Okay, and this is the resistance only one, so this not change. Okay, but this need this source conversion. Okay, and also need this source conversion. Okay, so just 3 source conversion needed. Okay, and one resistance is omit. So our final draw, suppose this is the V1, this is the 0, so suppose this portion is V1. Okay, we are start V1. Okay, so V1 to this portion to current, only current, this 3 ampere. Okay, and this V1 to another, this line is finished. Okay, this line is finished. Now this okay, so only using this resistance. Okay, now we need the source conversion, this portion. This current flow positive, this portion is positive, so our this now our current, this is the total resistance 10 and 20 volt, so our current
2 ampere.
2 ampere, and this resistance is 10. Okay, okay, this portion is ground because this is the 0, so this portion is ground 0. Okay, and this also V1. Now this is 0. Okay, this part is finished. Now this part is finished, this part finished, this finished. Now this point to this point, this point to this point, one resistance and one current, 0 this resistance is 10 and current flow, current flow this 2 ampere. Okay, a 2 ampere. This part is finished. This name suppose V2. Okay, and so this part finish. Now V22 only 30 volt. These are 30 volt. So current flow this name is I1. Okay, this part is finished. Now this V2 portion all are finished. Now suppose this part is V2, now this is the V3. Okay, V3 portion, this V3 portion, this portion to 1 resistance, this is the 10 resistance, this. Okay, and this ground to this is the 10 ohm and current flow this. Okay, so current flow, so current, now current 5 ampere. Okay, this part is finished, this finished, this not finished. 20 V3 to another this. Okay, this point. Okay, so this point is V3. Okay, and so clear. And suppose this point is V4. Okay, so this point V3, so V4. So V4 to this point. Okay, this point is V4 to this point. This is the 20 volt, and this point to this current flow top portion. This is the total resistance, this line, this portion total resistance 20. So current 5 ampere. Okay, so now this name, this is the V4, this name is V5, this also V5, because this is the direct. Okay, so this point is V5. So our draw is finished. All are clear? Gopal, Tamim, Torikul,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
Said, Usman, all are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now
স্যার ওই
কোনটা বলো?
স্যার হচ্ছে কারেন্ট ফ্লো যে চিহ্নটা সাইনটা ওইটা একটু অসুবিধা হচ্ছে, মানে কোন দিকে
মাইনাস
হবে?
থেকে প্লাসের দিকে, ভোল্টেজ সোর্সের মাইনাস থেকে প্লাসের দিকে দেখো। এই যে এটা কি 100, সো এটা কোন দিকে যাবে?
100
এটা উপরের দিকে যাবে, V4 এর দিকে যাবে। এই V4 এর দিকে যাবে। এটা যাবে কার দিকে? V4 এর দিকে। এই যে দেখো কারেন্টটা V4 এর দিকে গেছে। This location that's V4. This also V3 to V4. Oh, this not source conversion using because no resistance. So this is the direct. No problem. But this name change, not finished. This name change. This is the I2. Okay. This is the
Okay.
I2 and location. Location. This. Okay. Current location this. Okay. Now we start V1. Anyone? কে বলবে? তামিম বলো। তামিম বলো বলো বলো। V1 বলো।
V1 স্যার। 3
V1 বলো। V1 এর রেজিস্ট্যান্স তো how many? এটা কত? এটা 10
ohms।
10.10 এর কালার চেঞ্জ করবো কোথা থেকে?
ওইটা নিচে ইন কালার লেখা আছে।
ওই যে আচ্ছা কালারটা ওকে আমরা এটা মুছে দিই কালার চেঞ্জ করে করে লিখি সুবিধা হবে okay so v1 বলো v1 এ কি আছে v1 এর সাথে কানেকশন আছে এইটা সো এইটা হবে পরে রেজিস্ট্যান্স আছে এই রেজিস্ট্যান্স v1 এর সাথে আর কোনো রেজিস্ট্যান্স আছে this is the v1 so v1 resistance
No,
only this one any resistance v1 connection no so this only two resistance so 1/10 plus 1/10 plus
1/10
this finish now this resistance is point connection point v2 this resistance connection point v2 so minus this okay so minus v2 1/10 okay and also another this resistance is connection this 0 so use minus 0 to 1/10 okay
10
if not use ground then must be name change this is the v5 so this name is v6 if suppose ground no ground so now this name is v6 okay clear all are clear but if the ground so this is the 0 ground means we know that ground means 0 so this are 0 okay if not use ground then this is the v6 okay this 0 not 0 this is the v6 okay clear so this the resistance part finish now current minus or plus if this current portion outgoing means positive this is outgoing so this current is positive okay this current is outgoing so positive 3 another current this current is incoming v1
-2
this current is incoming so
2 on
minus 2 okay so this v1 all are finish this v1 connection v1 point this is the finish this also finish so v1 portion all are
yes
so now
finish.
this is equal to 0 okay you stop another Daud okay Usman you say
Yes, sir.
v2 portion
V2 question. Okay.
V2 node,
125,
this resistance, the V2,
125
so
by 10.
this 10, this also V10,
Yeah, 125 by 10.
this and this,
Yeah,
1 by
125 by 10. 10
plus
plus 125 by 10.
10. Okay, so this another, this no resistance. So
Yeah,
this is the finish. Okay, resistance
yeah,
portion
yeah,
at first positive portion finish, but negative portion.
yeah.
This also connected V1.
Yeah, 125 by 10.
Minus
125. Yeah,
V1 1 by
125. 10.
and this also connect 0.
Yeah.
Minus
Minus
0
0, 125 by 10.
10. Okay.
And ampere.
Now this is the finish. This
Yeah, start
resistance
current.
part finish. Now current.
Yeah,
Current.
yeah.
This current. This current
Two
outgoing means
minus
outgoing means plus. Incoming means minus.
outgoing.
Outgoing. This is outgoing. Outgoing means plus. Okay. So
Yes,
plus 2.
yes,
Okay. So another this
yes.
current incoming.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
current
plus.
incoming. Okay.
Yeah.
So incoming means minus.
Minus. Okay.
Minus I1.
Yeah.
Okay. So now finish. V2
Yeah.
all finish. These all
Yeah.
are V2 finish. Okay.
Yeah.
So V2
Yes,
portion
sir.
finish. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
ask one question, please.
Sorry.
See, sir, why ampere 2 plus and I1 minus and this point.
This I1 is the current flow. This portion is incoming. V2 portion incoming current. This arrow is incoming. So incoming means minus. This current is outgoing.
Out.
This flow
Yeah.
is this. So this V2 to outgoing. V2 to outgoing, this is the plus. V2 incoming, this is the minus. Okay. So V2 income, this portion, this V1 portion, this 3 is outgoing, this 3 outgoing, so plus. These two incoming V1, so this is the minus. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I understand.
Okay. So this is the finish. Now V3 part, another person. Quick. Anyone? V3.
Sir, V3 into 1 by 10.
Any Somalian? Any Somalian? Muhammad? Or Daud? কয়জন আছে তোমাদের সোমালিয়ান? কেউ কথা বলে না কেন? ওকে, ইয়ে বলো, যে নোমান বলো। নোমান?
V3 হলো
V3 portion. V3 total resistance.
এটা 10.
One resistance. V3, this the point, V3 point. So this point to this and this. Only these 3. So these are any resistance? No. This resistance? No. This only one resistance, 10. So 1 by
10.
Okay. Then minus this resistance also connect the V5. So minus
10.
V5 1 by 10. Clear? Okay. Now this is the finish. Now voltage, current. Now current flow. This no current. This one current. This current is outgoing, and this current also outgoing.
Plus
current,
plus.
this current I1 plus I1
Plus I5.
I5 I2
I1 I2.
I2. Okay, so this is equal to 0. This is the very simple. Okay, another V4. V4 is connection. This the V4, this V4, and this V4.
না সমস্যা নাই।
Huh? This, and this. Okay, this, and this V4. So V4. Anybody? Ashik বলছো? Ashik?
না স্যার,
Ashik বলো।
না স্যার বলিনি।
হ্যাঁ বলো, তুমি বলো।
V4 1/10
1/10
1/20 না স্যার?
1/10 তো
1/2 ও স্যার 20
এটা তো 20
জি স্যার 1/20
1/20 ওকে আর কিছু আছে
না স্যার
বিফোরে একটা রেজিস্ট্যান্স ওকে মাইনাস এই 20 আবার কানেকশন কার সাথে আছে V5 এর সাথে আছে না
V5 V5
1/20
1/20
তারপর
প্লাস
এবার কারেন্ট ধরো কারেন্ট V4 এ আসছে কে আসলে কি হবে মাইনাস আর গেলে প্লাস
জি স্যার প্লাস
হ্যাঁ তা আসছে কে এই V4 এ একটাটাকে ধরো V4 এটা কি আসছে না 3
জি স্যার
3 কি হবে
স্যার আসলে প্লাস ও মাইনাস সরি স্যার মাইনাস
ইনকামিং মাইনাস সো -3 আচ্ছা এটা শেষ হলো তারপরে আর কি আসছে V4 এ এটা আসছে 5 আসছে না সো মাইনাস
জি স্যার
5 আর কি আসছে এটাও তো আসছে I2 আসছে না তাহলে মাইনাস I2
জি স্যার I2
is equal to 0 আচ্ছা এবার 5 নাম্বার নোট 5 নাম্বার নোটের সাথে কে কে আছে এইটা আছে আমি একটু আরেকবার কালার চেঞ্জ করি পাঁচ নম্বর নোটে কি আছে V5 এ এখানে V5 কি আছে বলো this V5 this V5 this V5 and this V5 okay
V5
okay so V5 বলো কে বলবা গোপাল বলো
V5
কে বলবে
V5 into
কে বলছে এখন
বলি
গোপাল হ্যাঁ বলো
V5 into 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 1/20
1/10 plus 1/20 শেষ আরেকটা আছে না এই 10টা কি
আরেকটা 1/10
আরেকটা 1/10 আছে
1/10 হ্যাঁ মাইনাস 0 into 1/10
আগে জিরোটা পরে বলো আগে এটা আছে না এটা বলো
V4 হ্যাঁ V4 আছে
V4 বলো তারপর এটা V3 বলো
মাইনাস
V3 টা আগে বলো সিরিয়ালি বলো বা V4 বলো V4
মাইনাস V3 into 1/10
আচ্ছা V4 বলো V4 লিখে ফেলছি
মাইনাস V4 into 1/20
1/20 মাইনাস V3
into 1/10
মাইনাস 0
0 into 1/V6
0 অমিট করা যায় বুঝছো কারণ 0 তো 0ই তাই না এটা লেখা হচ্ছে অকারণ তাই না this not necessary because 0 into this something, then result is 0. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
0 into 1 by 10. Okay. So this
Yes,
this resistance finish. Now
Yes, sir.
current.
Current
This V5 to outgoing. This 5 outgoing.
plus
Outgoing, so plus 5.
plus 5
Then
plus 5.
plus 5. Okay. So finish.
Finish.
All are finished. Okay.
All are finished.
So this is equal to 0. Okay. Our all V portion finished. Now our change name. This is the I1 and I2. At first I1. I1 is equal to I1 is equal to I1 is equal to anybody?
V3 minus V2.
Incoming minus outgoing. This voltage
Sir,
positive
V6?
portion, voltage positive portion, this name is first. This is the V2 minus V3. Okay,
Oh, wow.
clear? V2 minus
Yes, sir. Clear.
V2 minus
V3.
V3. Okay,
Equal 30 volt.
V2 minus V3 is equal to
30 volt.
30,
Yes.
and I2 last point is another আরেকজন বলো I2. This equation is 5. Okay, this is the 6. Now 7. I2. It is equal to this positive portion. So V4 minus
V4 minus V3 equal 10.
V4 minus V3. V3 is
Equal
equal to 10. Okay. Now the equation 7. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Hello. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, P5 and P6 is no relation. Why?
Sorry.
P5 and P5 and P6. P5
V5.
and P6 is yeah.
V6.
And P6 is no relation.
V6, this not V6, this is the 0. Okay, if not ground, use not ground, then this is the V6. If we use ground, this is the ground. So ground all are 0.
Yeah.
Ground portion.
Yeah.
If you use this 0 into the this all are 0. If not ground use, then name is V6. So we use V6. Then V6 is equal to this 10, 1 by 10, this 1 by 10, this 1 by 10, plus 1 by 10, plus 1 by 10, plus 1 by 10. If you use V6, but we not use V6. Okay, we not use
Yes, sir.
this not V6
Yes,
because this is the sorry. Okay, just this is the ground. Okay, so ground means 0. Okay, so this is the 0. Clear? Okay. If
sir,
not
okay.
use ground, then name is V6. Then we use must be V6. V6 is equal to 1 by. All are clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
গোপাল বুঝতে পারছো? নোমান?
হ্যাঁ স্যার বুঝছি।
Yes, sir.
Daud, you just V2 minus V3 is equal to 30. Not understand? Daud?
Yes, sir. Please explain.
This not I1. We use I1. I1, I2, just name change. These are 30, these are volt, but all are use our, sorry, 1 minute. Hello. Hello. Okay, sorry. Just another call. Oh, our time finish. Okay, so our time this day our time is finished. So all are just now we are through assignment. Okay, two or three assignment you finish this assignment. Okay, clear? এই শুনতে পাচ্ছ আমার কথা?
জি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, আমি কয়েকটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিচ্ছি, এগুলো সলভ করবা, ঠিক আছে? শেষ করে দিচ্ছি, আমি মেসেঞ্জার দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে।
জি স্যার।
ওকে, আজকে তাহলে আমরা এখন শেষ করছি। আচ্ছা, আরেকটা কথা তো তোমাদেরকে আগে বলি, তারপর ওদেরকে বলছি। সেটা হচ্ছে তোমাদের মনে হয় ওই আগামী এই প্রিভিয়াস সেমিস্টারের পরীক্ষা সামনে আসতে পারে। হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের ভিতরে সবাই তো পেমেন্ট ক্লিয়ার করছিলা?
সেমিস্টার ফি দেই নেই।
সেমিস্টার ফি ক্লিয়ার অল?
না স্যার,
আমরা তো দেইনি।
আচ্ছা, সো তোমাদের যে সেমিস্টার ফি দেওয়ার জন্য কিছু অপশন তো দিয়েছে, মানে বিকাশ, তারপরে ইয়ে, ঠিক আছে, ওইগুলো ইউজ করে তোমাদের সেমিস্টার ফি দিতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, আর হচ্ছে তোমাদের পরীক্ষা হয়তো রোজার মধ্যে প্রিভিয়াস সেমিস্টারে একটা দুইটা পরীক্ষা হবে, ঠিক আছে? এটা নিয়ে আজকে আমাদের একটা মিটিং আছে, আমরা হয়তো তারপর তোমাদেরকে জানাই দিব। হ্যাঁ, আমি জাস্ট আগে থেকে একটু বললাম, তোমাদের হয়তো 20 রোজা থেকে হয়তো ইয়ে হতে পারে।
জি স্যার।
এই দাউদ কি লিখছে এটা? Daud, not
Yes, sir.
understand calculation, circuit 1 and circuit 2.
Only for current one and current.
Not understand this.
This last two one is current one and two.
Sorry, this.
The last 2 points, current one and two.
I1 and I2.
Yes.
This is the I1. Okay.
Okay.
This I1 and this the I2. So I1, you not understand your current value. So this the I1 and means this the voltage. Okay. So this node, this I1, this portion is this the voltage. So voltage positive portion this. So this is the positive portion. V side, V node side, this is the positive portion. So V2 minus this is the V3. Minus portion is V3 connection. So V2 minus V3, this is equal to 30 volt. Another this I2 portion, this the positive portion is connect V4 and negative portion connect V3. So V4 minus V3. V4 minus V3 is equal to this 10 or 20 volt. Oh, this is the 20 volt. Okay, so this is the 20, not 10. Okay, this not 20, this not 10, this is the 20. Okay, so clear, all are clear?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so finish. যেটা বলছিলাম যে আমি হচ্ছে তোমাদের এটা নিয়ে তোমাদের কোর্স কোঅর্ডিনেটর কে? কোন স্যার?
ওকে,
কোঅর্ডিনেটর স্যারের নাম জানো না? হ্যাঁ, কেউ বলতে পারবো না?
না স্যার, জানি আমাদের কোর্স
ক্লাস নাই কে? মুনিম স্যার নাই মনে হয় নাকি?
না স্যার, নন
আনিস
টেকের
স্যার।
সব, মানে বাসিত স্যার একটা আর নন টেকের 3টা, ম্যাডাম একটা হলো
আজমির স্যার, সুনিতা রানী ম্যাডাম।
স্যার।
তাহলে কি তোমাদের কোঅর্ডিনেটর কি আমি নাকি? রুটিনে দেখছো? আচ্ছা তাহলে আমি পরে তোমাদেরকে এটা নিয়ে বিস্তারিত জানাবো
sir.
কালকে জানাবো ওকে তাহলে
Yes,
this
sir.
day our class is finished all are present here okay or messenger group okay stop